Started this journey with no fashion school, no experience, just dream, my sewing machine, and a lot of mistakes. No experience, just dream, consistency, and the will to always continue. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I am Faiza, a self-taught fashion designer and founder of Iza Clothing. Today, I want to share 5 things I wish I knew before becoming a fashion designer. If you are just starting out, this video will save you a lot of stress. Without much further ado, let's get right into the video. When I started, I thought I needed all the fancy tools like a mannequin, a large studio before I could be called a fashion designer. But the truth is, you don't. You only have to start with the basic things like fabric, and you can create magic if you focus on improving your skills. One mistake I made was keeping the basis. And when I talk about the basis, I'm basically talking about pattern, cotton, measurement, that is taking the basic measurements and finishing. Yeah. I just wanted to make beautiful dresses fast. I just want to understand the art of making pieces, joining pieces together. But when you build a strong foundation, everything falls in place and even becomes easier. So take your time learning the basics. When I saw other designers making perfect clothes, dresses on social media, I always felt like I was not enough. But what I've learned is that you are building your own path. Their own 100 should not ruin your own, shouldn't make you doubt your day. So this is a lesson. So just don't compare your journey. All right, yeah, I've worn beautiful dresses. I've made a lot of mistakes, and honestly, I still make mistakes sometimes. And every mistake has something to teach. You always learn from every mistakes. Every wrong cut or stitch teaches you something, and that's how you grow. Consistency is what makes you grow. Even if you can just sew one dress a day or you can just practice for 30 minutes, do that every day and you're going to see changes. Keep showing up. Yeah, keep showing up. The version of you that keeps showing up that is consistent will thank you later. I hope this video makes you feel more confident and ready to go. If this video helps you, don't forget to give me a like and subscribe to the channel. I'm dropping a whole series, a whole series to help you get confident and be willing to do what you said you would do. And most especially, give you that confidence as a beginner. Subscribe for more videos on fashion tips and design on every Saturday. And I hope to see you in my next one. Bye.